And the real key to getting a partnership work is to treat it as a professional marriage. I know that sounds kind of odd. Partnerships don't work. Partnerships don't work. Now, let's get the magnifying glass out. Certainly, there are plenty examples of failed partnerships where a dentist partners with another dentist to in the practice. Many, many, many examples. By the way, the percentage is about the same as the divorce rate. Personal life, about the same, about 50% fail. But what's the opposite of that? Well, one could look at that. Is a glass half full? Is it half empty? We look at marriage for just a minute. Well, statistically, 50% of first-time marriages fail. Well, what's the opposite of that?
50% succeed.
50% worked.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I have some thoughts. First of all, I'm in a partnership with Dr. Paul, Dr. Tim. The three of us co-own Life Smiles Dental Care. Initially, it was Paul and I, 50-50 partnership. We operated as a partnership, 50-50 partnership for 8 years. We added Tim as an associate. By late 2015, he earned a partnership, and we diluted our shares to a third. So I am a living, breathing example of a partnership that works. But one of the reasons why I think dentists have trouble with partnerships, I'm going to name a couple reasons and maybe a couple of landmines that you can work on avoiding. Number one, dentistry in your education and training is largely a solo sport.
Mm-hmm.
You went through your undergraduate on your own. It's not, you weren't part of a team that earned a high grade point average. You then go to dental school, and it's very much an individual sport. So by virtue of that training, that 8-year training, you're kind of trained as an individualist. Would you agree, Naren?
Yes, Gary, I would totally agree. I think even the partnerships, the reason they fail is because they're not structured properly, or all the right things are not done correctly, which is something I know you help your coaching clients with. So it's not like they fail because these are two bad people. They fail because they didn't think it through properly. They didn't set it up properly. They didn't, manage it properly.
One of the concepts I teach our clients, and let me kind of put this in perspective so you can have the begin with the end in mind concept. I love helping our clients develop a very effective work-life balance. And one of the things I'm most proud of in our own practice is we've achieved that with a 3-day doctor week. So by choice, both Paul and Tim work 3 days a week. Paul works Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tim works Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That allows them plenty of family time, lots of family time. And it also allows them to take a massive amount of CE and not take it at the expense of their family. Now, can that be done in a solo dental practice? Can a 3-day doctor week be done in a solo doctor practice? The answer is yes, it can. It's challenging. It's very difficult, but it can be done. We have, in my client base, we have a number of solo doctors that by choice are working a 3-day week in a thriving practice that provides them personal, professional, and financial satisfaction. The two big challenges there are providing enough hours for your patients, availability, and providing enough hours for your team members. It's easier to do in a 2-doctor practice like ours. And that doesn't necessarily have to be a partner. It could be doing it with an associate where you bring an associate to help you cover more hours. But I do like the idea of a partnership because then we have another committed person that has skin in the game. And the real key to getting a partnership work is to treat it as a professional marriage. I know that sounds kind of odd, but if you're treating it as less than a professional marriage, I don't think you're doing justice to the importance of ongoing give and take, ongoing relationship. And that's, I think, the key from a perspective, from a mindset perspective, to approach it as a professional marriage. But partnerships can work, and it can be a very good strategy that could lead you to better work-life balance. And it might make it all worthwhile to make it work if it allows you to have better work-life balance. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you'll be notified of any time we upload future videos. I think you'll enjoy our coming content. Thanks so much.